So when I had the head unit put in my H1, stereo place put in this blank, and it's just stuck on with double-sided tape. So now we got the opening, and I'm going to install the new kit. So it goes in with the narrower part to the bottom, and it looks to me the holes line up. There we go. Holes line up on that side and on that side. Now's a good time to clean all the residue off of here. Clean, dirty. Okay, the hardware needed are 10 by 32 by 1 inch. It'd be nice if the kit came with those, but they don't. And of course, Home Hardware sells them in packets of 3. And the screw holes do line up as long as you have this line horizontal. Don't have it upside down the unit. And I turning in the screws just so that they are snug. Not too tight or it will crack the plastic, of course. There we go. That literally took me 5 minutes. For the money, I think it was a great buy.